What we can do in Arup is bring together a whole host of skills that are required to ensure that we can deliver a totally integrated railway. To do that, you have to have an integrated way of working, or collaborative way of working, and that's what Arup is all about. We split rail into 7 sub-modes, and the first mode is high-speed rail. We then have suburban rail, mass transit, light rail, monorail, guided bus, and we have freight. Arup provide about 50 or 60 different skill sets and disciplines into the rail business. We start at strategic planning, which may be deciding firstly whether it is a railway or whether it's something else. Next would probably come project delivery and control. Infrastructure is perhaps the piece of a railway that is most seen by people both using it and operating it. The systems on a railway are those things that control the spacing between the trains when it arrives. They're the signalling, they're also the power. The railway, of course, is one of the safety critical environments. It has to be organised such that for the customer using the railway, it's a very safe place. Technology is perhaps one of those things that we do that not many of our competitors do. And this is looking at new technologies and how we can bring them into the rail industry to make things better. There are very many different types of projects around the world. And just to give you an idea of the scope of the sort of thing we're talking about, from the high-speed rail here, high-speed one in the UK, which is the first high-speed rail line in the UK, through to something like the City Ring in Copenhagen, which is a totally automated underground metro with 18 stations, through across to New York, where 2nd Avenue subway is the first new subway there for almost 100 years, and then through to Hong Kong, where we have designed, project managed and built many different mass transit systems. Across to Australia, long-haul freight is a fundamentally different type of operation, different type of business, different skill set, but it's all railways. And that's what Arup is all about, right from the beginning, creating holistic designs so that we actually put together something that adds real value to our clients.